to Success in English. Unit 2. Chores, chores all around. Lesson 2. Vocabulary, collocations and phrasal verbs. The objectives are: 1. The students are expected to identify examples of collocations along with their meanings based on the reading text. 2. The students are supposed to get introduced to phrasal verbs to form them correctly and to understand their meanings. Contents. 1. Introducing and clarifying the concept of collocations. 2. Introducing phrasal verbs with special reference to their forms and meanings. Collocations. We need to start by identifying this concept. What is meant by a collocation? It is a term that refers to a noticeable arrangement or conjoining of linguistic elements. In other words, it is a cluster of words, usually two, appearing together in one fixed order. We can form different types of collocations. Just consider the above passage. You'll notice many examples composed of verbs and nouns that form a kind of collocation. Pay special attention to the verbs make and do, which are similar in meaning. However, each can collocate with a specific noun with no clear reason or explanation rather than the use of the native speakers. We can make noise, but we don't do noise. On the contrary, we do exercises, but don't make them. So, knowing the right form of collocations has only to do with practice, since no rule can be applied forming them. Exercise 1. Match each of the collocations in the list below with its definition. If the collocation is make somebody's bed, the definition is E, tidy up. If the collocation is have breakfast, lunch, a snack, or coffee, the definition is C, eat or drink. Do the dishes. Definition is D, wash up or clean. Have fun. Definition is B, enjoy your time. The collocation is make noise. Definition is F, cause or create noise. Do exercises. The answer is A, practice some training. Exercise 2. Choose from the list below the right verb that can best collocate with the noun that follows. Use the suitable tense of the verb. The verbs are perform, play, take, tell, write, learn, make, book, waste, miss, lose. Number 1. I blank the guitar. I play the guitar. 2. My sister blank a story last week. My sister wrote a story last week. 3. Actors blank plays on stage. Actors perform plays on stage. 4. Students should blank notes while having classes. Students should take notes while having classes. 5. Travelers always blank their tickets in advance. Travelers always book their tickets in advance. 6. People can blank progress by practice. People can make progress by practice. 7. I don't blank lies. I don't tell lies. 8. She never blank her classes. She never misses her classes. 9. Careless people blank their time. Careless people waste their time. 10. I'm blank a new language this course. I'm learning a new language this course. Phrasal verbs. Similar to collocations, phrasal verbs consist of 2 or sometimes 3 parts. But it can be clear enough, even from the term itself, that the basic component here is a verb. This can be followed by either a preposition or a particle. Its meaning is rarely literal, but it's mostly idiomatic. This means that it is difficult to get its meaning from the meanings of its parts. Unless you are familiar with it, you have to be, or else you won't understand it. In addition, the same phrasal verb can have more than one meaning according to the context in which it appears. Consider, for example, the phrasal verb take off in the following circumstances. The man took off his hat. Or, her plane took off early this morning. In the first case, it means he removed it. In the second, it indicates that the plane left the ground. So, practice is our only way to learn them. Exercise 1. The reading passage above has some examples of phrasal verbs. Find out the 3 with the following meanings. Find out the 3 ones with the following meanings. 1. To rouse from sleep means to blank. To rouse from sleep means to get up. 2. To be watchful means to blank. To be watchful means to take care of. 3. To continue doing something means to blank. To continue doing something means to carry on doing it. Exercise 2. Choose the best option that can best fill in the blanks below to form the phrasal verb correctly. 1. My wife is hesitant. She takes a lot of time to make blank her mind. Is it A, off, B, up, or C, on? The answer is B, make up her mind. 2. You can look blank meanings of unfamiliar words in a dictionary. Is it A, over, B, up, or C, in? The answer is B. You can look up meanings of words. 3. Joseph and his wife broke blank last month. Is it A, over, B, up, or C, after? The answer is B, up, broke up last month. 4. My eldest daughter takes blank her dad. They have the same eyes. Is it A, before, B, after, or C, over? The answer is B, after. Takes after her dad. 5. Put blank your coat. It's freezing outside. Is it A, off, B, on, C, of? The answer is B, put on your coat. 6. The presenter carried blank talking after being interrupted for a while? Is it A, in, B, on, or C, up? The answer's B, on. Carried on talking. 7. Oh, I'm running blank, petrol. Is it A, out, B, of, or C, out of? The answer is C, running out of petrol. 8. The criminal killed the old lady and ran blank. Is it A, out, B, away, or C, on? The answer is B, ran away. Exercise 3. Now match each of the phrasal verbs mentioned in exercise 2 above with its suitable meaning from this list below. The context above can help you. 1. Have none left. Suitable meaning is run out of. 2. Continue. The suitable meaning is carried on. 3. Decide. The suitable meaning is make up. 4. Find. This means look up. 5. Separate. Suitable meaning is break up. 6. Resemble. Take after. 7. Escape. Run away. Vocabulary. 1. Noticeable. Noticeable means clear. 2. Context. Context is the linguistic framework in which the vocabulary item appears. 3. Cluster. Cluster is a combination. 4. Perform. Perform or present in front of the audience.